How are you, farmers? I hope I find you well. Today we are going to continue about herbicide management and weed control. Today we are going to look at how these herbicides work. We have contact herbicides, which affect only the part of the plant that they touch. They generate phytotoxic free radicals and interfere with the lipid mechanism metabolism of the plant and lead to ultimate death. Adequate spraying to cover the whole weed plant is needed. Then we have the system herbicides. They are absorbed and transported through the plant's vascular system, killing the entire plant. They are translocated to other parts of the plant, that is up to the roots. If you spray on top, they affect the normal biological function of the plant by interfering with certain biochemical reactions. Thus, when applied to foliage or soil, they enter the plant and translocate to their site of action. Example, atrazine, glyphosate. Then we look at selective herbicides. These are used to kill weeds without significant damage to the crop that would have planted in that area. That is, for example, stellar star that doesn't affect maize. Then we have non-selective herbicides, which kill or injure plants present if applied at adequate rate. That is, they affect all green plants that are in that particular area you are spraying. For example, you look at glyphosate, paraquat,